Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $10,000 business credit card without any effect on your credit score and with a simple soft pull. Yes, you have heard it right. But right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal credit card without any effect to your credit score. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon if you want to build your credit or if you are looking to get access to the higher credit limit. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So not a lot of people know about this credit card because I believe is a hidden opportunity for a lot of people out there. When it comes to Kaped, they are used to be a credit reporting agency. So what it means, they check your credit, they give you a lot of information and tips and tricks at how you can build your credit and other things related to your credit. But now they are offering you a business credit card with a simple soft pull. So it means there will not be a single effect on your credit score. So what they do, what are the things? Let's get straight into it. So the first thing is that what I believe is no PG. So it means there is no personal guarantee. So there will be no effect on your credit no matter what. They will do a soft pull, but it's just a soft pull just to see that what sort of credit limit you are qualified for. So the next one is this non-consumer bureau. So it means it only reported to the business credit bureau, not on your personal one though. You can build your business credit with this easily. They have the limit right here from $100 to $10,000. It totally depends on your financial standings and also on your credit worthiness. But again, there won't be any effect on your credit score, and if your credit is worse, you're gonna get $100. If your credit is on somewhere on the right side, on the good side, then you're gonna get $10,000 of credit limit. So they have one-time fee. Yes, what they do exactly, when you apply for their card, as soon as you get approved, they will ask you for $100 setup fee, which I believe is a very good bargain. So all you need to do is just to give them $100, so they will be able to set up your account. I love their rewards. They do have rewards, yes, and they can give you 1 to 3 points on every qualifying purchases. So they have their own manual. You can review it later when you will review their website. But again, there are a couple of things that they require in order to give you their business credit card with up to $10,000 of credit limit. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna talk about all of this in a bit, but let's see what you exactly need. So of course they do a soft pull, so it means there will not be a single effect on your credit score, and they require a business bank statement if you have a business account. So what they see that what sort of transactions you have in your business bank account. They need an EIN number. Of course, if you have a business, you do have an EIN number, so you have to provide them a letter that you have, and of course a simple one, your driver's license. But they will ask you all of this after you get approved for it, right? So I'm not going to stress this video a lot, so let me scroll down and see a couple of questions so I can answer it. So what happens, and after completing the application, when you are going to get this credit card? So you are going to get this credit within 2 weeks. So first of all, it's a fintech company, right? And they don't do anything which will ruin your credit score. So that's one of the greatest thing about them. And of course, a lot of newer fintech companies who are from Silicon Valley coming up with ideas like where you will get their credit card or loan without any effect to your credit score. So they have their things. They will send you the credit card within 2 weeks if you get approved for it. And there's a couple of more things that I would like you to know. First of all, they do a soft pull on your Experian credit report. So what I mean by Experian is that if you have good Experian score, you're gonna get approved for a good credit limit. If you have the worst one, then still you're gonna get approved, but for a lower limit. And couple of more things, that if they're unable to verify your personal identity and unable to verify your business, to make sure you put all the information and it should be intact. if they deny you, you can still appeal, and in most of the cases they will accept you after that. So as I already told you, this is a gem. Let's see what sort of score gives you what sort of credit limit. So the credit limit, as we all know, goes from 101 to 850. I've never seen anyone having a 101 credit score, but this is a worst case scenario. So for example, if you have a 101 score, and of course from 101 to 300, you're gonna get $100 of credit limit. From 301 to 549, $200. From 550 to 59, 300, 500, and 800. But if you have a score between, I don't know why they wrote this 899, but if you have a score of 800 and above, I think this is a mistake that I've done, but ignore it. So if you have a score of 800 and above, you're gonna get 10,000. If you have 750 and above, 7,500. If you have 725, 5,700, 3,500, 680 to 699, 1,300. So if you have those scores, and the credit limit they are mentioning right here are guaranteed. So this is an amazing thing that I've never seen any other bank. If you have this score, we're gonna get you this credit limit. So I believe it's an amazing opportunity for a lot of people out there who need a credit card without any effect on their credit score, and they need a good credit limit, because if they know about their score, then they know how much they're gonna get. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to upload another video right after this video in order to get that $5,000 personal credit card without any effect to your credit score. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video and awesome videos like this one. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.